Hi guys, welcome back once again to the Cert Empire Exam Simulator. Today we're going to explore one of the most powerful features of this simulator, the Domains feature, so let's get started. First, click on the Download button, and then select any exam by clicking on the Practice button. Now just wait for a moment while the simulator prepares your exam environment. Once the simulator is ready, you'll clearly see the Domains option available at the top of the screen. As you can see, a side panel will appear on your screen. Here, all the questions are neatly organized according to their respective domains or chapters. If you want to prepare any specific topic in more depth, this feature makes it incredibly easy. You can directly select a domain of your choice and start practicing questions chapter by chapter, one at a time. After completing your domain-wise preparation, you can switch to exam mode and create a fully customized exam based on your learning progress. In this, you can adjust time, duration, number of questions, and other things. So, this is how the Domains feature works in the Cert Empire Exam Simulator. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at www.certempire.com.